Hi everyone, this is Carolyn from Nona's Nutty Crafts. And what I wanted to show you today, I made some cute little snowmen here, and I made them out of salt and pepper shakers. And you can see they're all different sizes. These are the glass ones, and they're all different sizes, all different heights, all different textures. So we'll start with this one first and how we did it. We took the styrofoam ball, which is about 1.25 inches, give or take 1.5 inches. And what we decided to do first is go ahead and we're going to put the eyes and the nose on. The eyes are made out of pins, as you can see, just straight pins, and the nose we made out of toothpicks. Painted it orange. You can use acrylic or chalk paint, your choice. And then we cut it down and we glued it as we poked it in. Now I will suggest once you put the eyes and all on, you can't be moving it around all the time because you're going to leave holes in his head. For his hat, we took a 6-inch piece of fleece, and it's about 2 inches wide. Now I'm going to show you a little bit on this one here, because I don't have any more of that. Now you can use fabric too. It's up to you what you want to use. What I did is fold it down. It comes about 1/2 inch, and I glued it. That's going to form the brim of the hat. So you may not be able to see it, but this is the brim here of the hat. Then I'm going to go ahead and measure it, going around his head, how big it has to be. Once I've had that, I will go ahead, cut off any excess, but I'll go ahead and I'll just wrap it around, and where they meet in the back, I'll give it a little bit of an overlap and glue it. I took a piece of little string here and I just tied it up. Oh, I forgot the most important part. Gotta have the fringe, right? So my bad. Is after you do this part, then you're going to cut about 1/8 inch going up to make the little fringe like you see on top of the hat. So when you tie it up, you can pull it out and just ruffle it out, flatten it out, do whatever you want to do. The scarves here, they're about 1 inch, give or take, or 1 inch, a little bit over. It all depends. The length is going to be up to you. We have little white buttons on this one, little tiny. You can use whatever you want, doesn't matter. Inside here, we took some Dollar Tree snow, and we put it in here. You can use salt if you want to do rice. I don't recommend rice as much because it doesn't look as pretty for a snowman, but salt does, or if you wanted to use the fake snow. Now, I'm going to see if I can shake it enough. You can see that there's toothpicks in there. So to attach the head, I stuck 2 toothpicks up in him, and it comes down into the snow. I left a little space because I wanted to be able to see it. The scarf covers it from the front, and you really don't see it that much from the back. Okay? And we stuck those up through the head. We glued it, put it down. To glue the head on, I used a little bit of hot glue and E6000. Then I tied the scarf the way I wanted it. After I tied it, I cut a little fringe on it, as you can see, and that's it. Now for this guy here, we chose to put some little trees in. So different sizes, you could put whatever you want inside. Glued them to the bottom, and then we just put a little bit of snow. So see, you can see the base there. So as you shake this around and stuff, the snow is just going to move around on it. But that's what snow does. It doesn't stay in one spot. He has little buttons on him, a scarf. And what we did for his head, this is his shaker top. I took some pins. You can use any color, any style you want. And as I put him through, we made sure that they got glued through into his head, the pins. And that just gives a little character on the top. Decided to add some little pom-poms on here. These pom-poms are not quite 1/2 inch in diameter. And then, of course, the nose and the eyes is done the same way. This one here, we chose to do earmuffs. Took a thin piece of wire, and what I did, I just wound it up on a pencil, and then took the desired length that I want. And when I cut it so, and I bent the wire so that the wire would go into his head, and I used a little hot glue with that. Then I glued the little pom-poms on, and there you go. You can probably see it now, to make the earmuffs on this one. And again, we put some little buttons on this one and the scarf. I did do also the toothpicks through the head into the shaker to give it more stability. Then, of course, we have our little guy. He's just a funny little guy. His hat's off to the side. He's tilting his head like, what's up? And he has his toothpicks as well as in, you know, to stabilize his head. Just a tiny little scarf here on this one. So that's what we did. We made our little family here. I'm going to line them all up and show them to you. Let me grab the camera. There we go. There's our little family. Isn't that cute? Easy project. You could do this with kids. You could sell them at craft shows. It's a little something different. So enjoy. And thanks for coming to Nona's Nutty Crafts.